What is an out-of-balance wheel assembly, and what are the consequences? An out-of-balance wheel assembly is heavier on one side than the other and causes premature tire wear and damaging vibration throughout the truck and trailer. The four components that make up a wheel assembly are each made by a different manufacturer. At the truck factory, they are assembled together to form the wheel assembly. Isn't it odd to assume that after all these components are bolted together, it doesn't have a heavy side? Many fleets accept premature tire wear and damaging vibration-related maintenance as normal because that's the way it's always been. They rotate tires when irregular tire wear appears, never thinking about balancing the wheel assemblies to smooth the ride and solve these problems at the source. Fleets are now realizing they can solve these problems at the source. Listen to our customers, reporting 25% and greater extended tire life after installing Centramatic onboard wheel balancers.
Well, the first benefit that we had was our drivers were a lot happier with the trucks. We had our Volvos before that didn't have Centramatics on them, and we had some cupping issues and a few tire issues. Since we've started using Centramatics, we've seen that dramatically decrease.
Well, I've got a much smoother ride. I've increased my tire life, not quite double.
Not only is my ride better, but also the ride for whatever I'm hauling on my trailer. Simply because of the suspension and the lowering of claims of equipment that we put on our trailers. So it actually helps lower two different things.
I'd have drivers come in, complain about their tires shaking, vibrating, whatever. There's always a cupping problem. I have eliminated the cupping problem with my Centramatics. I save money by not getting rid of a tire that's half used because it's cupped. Once it starts cupping, it's gone.
This is a demonstration of the onboard centrifugal balancers by Centramatic. We're going to start off with a rotating tire and wheel assembly. And as you can see, not perfectly balanced, but not bad. We're going to introduce an imbalance with this magnet. And I think it'll be very obvious our assembly is way out of balance. We're going to put a demonstration balancer on to show you the physics of how a balancer works, and you'll see that the media will go to the opposite side of an imbalance. This is not the media that we actually use in the balancers, the balance ring. We use a 92,000 steel shot in a synthetic moly with wear inhibitors, and that's what gives it the life. We see 1 million to 3 million miles on a set of truck balancers is common. We have customers that give us that feedback all the time. This is showing us the physics of how an onboard balancer works. We're going to spin this assembly up and put the strobe light on it, and as you can see, the media is opposite side of the imbalance. You're balancing your tires and wheels dynamically every time you drive your truck. No more lead weights, and you're balancing the whole assembly, brakes, tires, and wheels. To show that this is truly a dynamic balancing system, we're going to remove our imbalance and spin the assembly up, and now you'll see that the media spaces itself where it needs to go for a balanced assembly. That's how Centramatic works.